Learn about how to close Fresenius machine. So first of all, when the UF goal is reached, we will get an alarm, UF goal reached. So start and reset button. Reinfusion, start with confirm key, clamp the artery line.
डायलिसिस के पेशेंट को मेडिसिन का सपोर्ट मिलता है हमारे पास. अगर आप लोगों को जरूरत पड़े तो कमेंट जरूर करना. एंड फ्री सजेशन.
IV line to the artery line. Open the clamp. Stop the blood pump. We have to decrease the blood flow below 200. Flush the arterial needle with the saline flush. And we just return with only 100 ml. Now disconnect the IV line. Connect it somewhere else. So drain the buyback. Remove the dial set couplers and connect it back to the machine. Close the shunt cover. Back connect the acid port to the machine. Close the acid flap. The total blood should be returned. Clamp the venous line properly. There is a chance to blood leak. So the line should be closed because there is a chance to spill the blood on the floor. So every line should be closed. And remove the set as will connect while priming. Every clamp should be closed. Remove the buyback. Put the machine into the as the protocols after completing the dialysis, either it is rinse or hot disinfection. So we have no cases, so we are going to hot disinfection. So remove the AV fistula needles with proper care. Slowly you should remove the AVF needle. Hold the sides for minimum 2 minutes.
You can tell me something.
Tourniquet according to the patient comfort level. ठीक है. After tying the tourniquet, we should check for the thrill and we should confirm the thrill is better or not.